Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Stem and Leaf Plots Worksheet Part 2. So I will leave this slide on just for a short while so you can read it before I move on to the next slide, which contains the rap song about stem and leaf plots. You can pause this for as long as you like. Okay, I'll move on to the next slide now, which contains the rap song. So that's the first half of the rap song. Again, I'll leave it on for a short while. Pause it for as long as you like. And here is the second half of the poem. Here we go. So I'll leave this rap song on for a short while and then we'll move on to the worksheet. Okay, here is the worksheet. I'll leave it on for a short while, pause it for as long as you like, and as you notice, the answers are on the next slide, and I'll move to that very shortly. Okay, here are the answers now on the next slide. So you can check how you went with the previous slide. I'll move on to the next slide very shortly because you can pause this whenever you want. Okay, here's the next slide now. So Maths with Jacob in this particular video is trying to integrate mathematics, English and music. If you found this video useful, please click the like icon and let me know your thoughts in the comments section. On the next slide you can click on the link if you need to go to the lesson that explains this worksheet. You can also click on the subscribe button, the subscribe icon that I have provided. Okay, here we go.